dash or squeak in the door. Don't need the dealership, don't need a big score. Just grab your tools, turn up the light. With Car Guru DIY, you'll make it run right. Rev it up with Car Guru DIY. From the driveway to the highway, you're that go-to guy. No job too small, no task too tall. With Car Guru DIY, you can fix it all. When the brakes start grinding or the engine won't hum, just check out his tips and know where they're from. Every click and clank, every squeak and whine. With Car Guru DIY, you'll be feeling fine. Rev it up with Car Guru DIY. From the driveway to the highway, you're that go-to guy. No job too small, no task too tall. With Car Guru DIY, you can fix it all. From a quick oil change to a busted light, with the Guru's tricks, you'll get it right. Feel the pride, feel the power, do it on your own. Every bolt you tighten brings you closer to home. You're learning the way to keep your car rolling day by day. With each spark plug, with each repair, the Car Guru shows you how to get there. Rev it up with Car Guru DIY. From the driveway to the highway, you're that go-to guy. No job too small, no task too tall. With Car Guru DIY, you can fix it all. So hit the road with pride and style. Thanks to Car Guru DIY, he'll go the extra mile. From the start to the end, he's got your back. With Car Guru DIY, there's no looking back.